last month we harvested here the rice paddies. What we are doing is after we harvest, as you see, already my second one is coming, but it's not edible. I mean too small. But like now, from this season, it's better to mix with the soil. By doing that, we can let this straw be composting to the soil, and also some weed. By mixing it, we can kill the seed inside. So, and also, if we do that in the winter, it's too cold, so compost does not so happen. So actually, the end of September to first week of October is good timing to mix with the soil by using the tractor. But before that, now already next one is coming. If we just dig this one with tractor, so this kind of fiber sometimes sticking to the roller, so it's better to cut fast and then dry it and then mix it. So today we will cut this one. In general, we are using a handy cutters to cut the wheat, but it takes so much time. So last year we purchased one machine.
Meet Karzo, our remote control weeding machine. Show us the remote.
これがコントローラー。
Weeding has taken an interesting turn with the Karzo. Normally, mowing with a handled cross cutter comes with its fair share of challenges, physical effort, cost, and finding enough hands to get a job done. But with the Karzo, things are a bit different. You can operate it alone with minimal physical strain thanks to its remote control. It's capable of covering up to 1,700 square meters per hour, which is a big step up from the usual 330 square meter you would get with a handle cutter. Yes, the Karzo is not cheap, but when it works, its efficiency speaks for itself. Unfortunately, we had a snag towards the end. Our Karzo ran into some trouble and had to be repaired. So the field is not completely finished, and we will have to put the cultivation process on hold until it's back up and running. That's where we are at for now. Hopefully, we will get the Karzo fixed soon, and we will pick up where we left off. Catch you in the next video.